just striking to look at.
Quite youthful, quite sporty.
First impressions in the flesh, in the metal, the Sonet looks really, really good. It doesn't look like a small compact car. It looks much bigger than it actually is.
It's a pocket rocket for a sub-4 meter. That sort of power and the kind of delivery that it offers, I think it's phenomenal.
The car definitely has wow factor. For sure, once you're on the inside, it is a benchmark for interior quality and features, I think, in the segment.
I think it's a very, very capable product, and the highlight is obviously the design. It looks very muscular.
The rear seat is, I guess, one of the best in its class. The rear seat comfort, the back support.
I think what really makes Sonet stand out is the great mix of sporty driving and a lot of rich features.
You do not feel like you're in a compact SUV. You definitely feel like you're in a car that costs 3, 4, 5 times as much.
So I think the first factor that really stands out for me for the Sonet is that it is very distinctive looking. You can't confuse it with another product, and that's obviously going to work to its advantage.
It's quite modern with respect to its design. I really like the LED headlamps and the LED tail lamps. They look amazing. The wheels are also really nice, so it gives it a really nice muscular look.
So the first thing that I was blown away by is the amount of features and the technology that the car packs in, like be it the cooled seats or the tire pressure monitors or all the controls that you get through the UVO feature.
If I look at the car as far as the design is concerned, I think it comes across as a very energetic and a dynamic vehicle.
And then I also loved the diesel automatic due to its power.
I'm super impressed with the diesel auto. Explosive performance, that's the only thing that comes to mind.
The IMT gearbox and the ventilated seats. These are the two absolute standout features for me. The convenience factor and also the fun factor that the IMT affords is absolutely brilliant.
Honestly, I haven't driven an IMT before, so it was quite a nice thing because I initially thought, oh my god, what am I doing with my left leg? There's nothing to do with it. But I have to admit that it was fine for me within the first 10 seconds because it's that easy to live with.
So I think the IMT is a really good invention, really practical, and at that price point would be a big draw for customers.
I think it's a very nice option for many people who want command over gear shifts but still don't want hassle of pressing down the clutch every time.
Say that I'm very impressed with the overall drive quality of the Sonet.
For me, the Sonet suspension is very well tuned and works very well in Indian conditions.
The suspension is good. It's quite comfortable. You don't feel a lot of the bumps on the road, and it's got good amount of ground clearance as well, so no issues there. So pretty comfortable.
The car handles very well. There's no complaints about handling in regular speeds, in urban conditions, or even on highway speeds.
Ventilated seats, self-explanatory in our conditions, and the other one is that rear view camera which you can turn on throughout the drive.
Also, another word probably is the uniqueness that it brings in the market.
I think the fact that it is feature-packed, because the Indian consumers love features whether they use them or not. So it does tick off all the right boxes. The fact that the interior makes you feel like you're in a car a level above, things like the Bose sound system, they all feel like they are from a segment above.
The balance that the engineers have been able to strike between comfort and dynamics is quite nice. It offers a good balance between both traits.